Today, I'll be showing you guys my nail care routine. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell. You're going to start by taking off your nail polish. Get your manicure bowl and fill it with warm water. Take your cuticle cream and put it on the cuticle of your nail. Let it sit for 5 minutes. Now, take your orange wood stick and push your cuticles back. Now clean underneath your nail. Now, it's time to buff your nail. Now it's time for the nail strengthener. Now it's time for the nail hardener. What they look like when they're done. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell.